dapat sundon niining atong classroom. Sa inyong balay na may ginasunod nga mga balaod sa inyong ginikanan?
Oo.
Sa atong balay, ang atong mga ginikanan na sila ginasunod nga balaod sa ato. Like for example, for ta mga mag-ampo ta. Kamo mag-ampo ba mo?
Oo.
Very good. Or kanang dapat alas 8 sa gabi inaana mo sa inyong balay. Inaanap ba inyong mga magulang? Very good. Karon sa atong classroom napud day ginasunod nga mga rules. Atong basahon ang atong mga rules sa atong classroom.
Find the classroom rules.
Number 1,
Keep the classroom clean.
dapat i-maintain nato nga atong classroom limpyo. Okay ba to?
Okay.
Ikaduha,
Be quiet.
dapat dili mo magsaba-saba kay para makakat-on mo sa atong klase. Ikatulo,
Submit homework on time.
dapat kung may assignment nga ihatag si teacher, dapat i-submit ninyo on time. Ikaupat,
No quarrel.
dapat dili mag-away. Kaya ang mag-away, dili na siya maayo nga batasan. Ikalima,
Don't say bad words.
karon kinsay nakahinumdum sa atong klase ni Abi adlaw? Abi, unsa atong giklase kagahapon? Asa about?
The color teacher.
Very good. Ang atong giklase ni Abi adlaw kay about sa color. Nakakaon na ba mo about sa color?
Oo.
Nakakilala mo sa mga color?
Oo.
Okay, karon akong i-test kung nahibalo na ba mo or nakailala ba mo sa mga color. First, everyone, kindly listen to me. This is our direction for our activity. We have here different colors of balloons. All you have to do is to draw a color from our magic box. This is our magic box. And pack up the corresponding color. Nakasama mo? Sa atong mga wala kasabot, ang buhaton ninyo karon kag naa is muhugot mo ganiha. Tapos ganiha sa box na different colors. Natay yellow, natay blue, yellow, blue, then nanganiha natay pink, and then natay sky blue. Okay, karon kinsay gusto mo pop up sa atong balon? Yeah, natay kaan. First na kaan. Okay. Bunot sa atong magic box. Ang sarang color imong nakuhaan. Ang yellow. Sige. Asa man ang color nga yellow. Yellow. Wala, wow. Very good. Tapos look ha. Sige, kusga. Oo. Kusga. Yes, tama ba ang iyong answer? Very good. Kalo, naka-shake prize. Okay, next. Kasi gusto mo pop up. Okay, okay. Pupot sa itong magic balloon. Kung saan naka-color. Atro. Color sky blue. Sige pa. Tama ba ang iyong answer? Tama. Okay. Okay. Kinsay gusto mo? Pop sa balon. Okay, si Kuya Ar alam na kauna. Okay, pili. Ang imong napili nga color is color blue. Asa man ang color blue?
Andihara mo ha?
Oh, hala, sige, pop the balloon. our direction for this next activity. All you need to do is to draw the line of my AI friend will tell you. Karon na ako ipakita ang video sa inyo, ha? Ang inyong buhatong i-draw ninyo ang line na gisulti ni Maya. So this is Maya.
Aman.
We have here the chalk, and you will draw the line in our blackboard. Okay. Okay, everyone, this is Mia. Who is this?
Mia.
Okay, this is Mia, my AI friend. Mia will tell some lines in front of you, and all you need to do is to draw the line. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, na to. Sige.
Ay, Mia,
Mia, ito ka. Sino na sino?
Anak na iba.
Okay, who wants to participate? Okay, come here, Ate, Abby. Come here, Abby. Okay, I will play the video, and all you need to do is mamati sa unsa yan isulti, tapos i-draw nimo ang line. What did my AI friend say? Straight lines. Okay. Draw the straight lines. Straight lines. Okay. And your answer is correct. So you will receive a prize. You're welcome. Who wants to participate next? Okay, come here, Milday. Okay,
Go.
listen. Wait. What did she say? Zigzag lines. Okay. Draw the zigzag lines. Zigzag. Okay. Go. Just draw what you think the zigzag line is. Faster. Okay. Your answer is correct. Very good. Here's your prize. Okay, who wants to participate next? Okay, let's have Okay, listen to the video.
Coba kita juga dito ba?
What did you say? Vertical lines. Okay, draw the vertical lines. Just draw it here. Oh, sige. Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, here's your prize. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, I want to call Cyril to draw our next. Come here, Cyril. Okay, your answer is correct. Is her answer correct? No, yes, you're right. This curved line is a straight line. The curved line, it looks like this. Yes, that is the curved line. Curve. Okay. Next, we have our last line. She say diagonal lines. Okay. Janine. Diagonal line. Sige, diagonal line. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, can you sit down? Tama, mali. Okay, kaninga line is? Curved line. This is also a curved line. A diagonal line, it looks like this. Like that. This is the diagonal line. Okay. That's all for this activity. Now, class, before we continue our class, let's first read our objectives this morning. Let's read our objectives. At the end of the lesson, students are able to describe and name the different kinds of lines. Use lines to draw representations of people, animals, and things, or anything that would be seen around them, and appreciate the importance of lines in an artwork. Okay. Now, we will watch a video. And all you need to do is to listen carefully, because after watching the video, I will ask some questions about the video. Yes. Okay, wait. Makita niyo? Okay. diagonal line? Wait, is this the diagonal line? Straight line. Straight lines? Kindly sit down. Tama ba si Aling? No, she's not correct. Okay, one more. Okay, Abby. Oh, yes. This is the diagonal line. Okay, our next picture. What kind of line is this? This is the, okay, can you stand up? Straight lines. Yes, you're correct. And then, how many straight lines are there? Okay? How many straight lines? 4. Yes, you're correct. We have 4 straight lines. Can you count off? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 4. No, you can't. You are not allowed to eat your food, okay? After the class na. Okay, this line. No, it's not. What kind of line is this? This is the... Okay, who wants to raise your hand? Okay, Cyril, what is your answer? This is the... This is the curved line. Yes, you're correct. How about this line? Okay, Abby, this is... Yes, this is zigzag. How about this line? This line. This line only. This is the vertical lines. Can you repeat? Vertical lines. Vertical line. And the one that is in, no, it's not. This is the horizontal line. Okay. This one, when the line is like something, what do you call this kind of line? This is vertical line. This is the vertical
Two
line.
lines.
Okay. Okay, now we will have another activity. Okay, now this is our next activity. Okay, I want you to count off 1, 2, 3. Okay, count off. Into 2 groups na lang. Okay, 1 group, 2 groups. Okay, I want you to count off into 2 groups. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, group 1, can you stand up? All the group 1, can you stand up? Group 1. Okay, group 1. Okay, magtapok mo. Okay, all the group 2, can you stand up? Group 2. Okay, group 2. Ito mo dapit. Okay. Can you sit down now with your groups? Together with your groups. Can you sit down?
Ako ba yung grupo? Ako ba yung
Oo. Ikaw ba na yung grupo? Okay, now, this is the activity that you are going to do. This is our direction. Determine, can you read everyone?
Determine what different kind of lights you can see on the picture.
Now, this is the picture that you will need to determine the lines. Can you see it? What are the different kinds of lines that we've discussed this morning? Straight lines, curved lines, zigzag lines, diagonal lines. Okay, class, I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity. Sa inyong paper. Yes? Kindly help your leader to answer your activity. Collaborate with each other. Okay. Are you done? Not yet?
Kita lang nito sa video ninyo. Sa mga line ha.
one. What kind of line is this? The diagonal line. Okay. Is group 1 got the answer? No, they don't have. How about the group 2? Also, okay. Now the next line is what kind of line is this? This is the vertical line. Okay. It must have an S. Okay. Is your answer correct? Very good. How about the group 1 answer? Okay, very good. Next, we have also the line. This one. What kind? This line. Okay, that is the straight lines. Yes? Okay. Let's see if we have another kind of line here. We already have our curved lines, our vertical lines, the diagonal, and that's all. That's all the kind of lines that we can see on the picture. So how many kinds of lines you can see? Four. Okay, the group 1. They got 3. Okay, good. How about the group 2? Okay. You will receive your prize after the class. Now, to test if you really learned our discussion this morning, I will give you an assessment. Okay? Can we pass? Can we pass on your back? Get 1 and pass. Get 1 and pass. I will give you 5 minutes to answer your assessment. Okay, your 5 minutes is done. Kindly pass your paper. Pastor, can you pass your paper? The time is done. How about you? Can you pass your paper? Okay. To review your understanding this morning, I will ask some questions. Okay. Okay, what are the 3 kinds of straight lines? The 3 kinds of straight lines. We have this line, diagonal line. How about this one? The vertical line. And this one, no, basta nakailangan na siya, it is the horizontal line. Okay, let us repeat the kind of lines. This is the vertical. This one, the horizontal. Okay, and this one is the, yes, you're correct. It is the diagonal line. So, what are the 2 remaining kind of lines? What is this line?
Curved line.
Yes, it is the curved line. How about this line?
Zigzag line.
Yes, you are correct. This is the zigzag lines. Okay. Now let's end our discussion this morning. Okay? Kindly stand up for our prayer. Who wants to lead our prayer? Okay, come here in front, Melody.